Thank you for celebrating Día de Muertos with us at the Idaho State Museum. I'm Maria and this is my daughter Sofia. We are going to show you how to paint your face for the holiday. Día de Muertos is celebrated in Mexico as well as many other places around the world. During the holiday, people take time to remember and celebrate loved ones that have passed with food, decorations, and parties. Altars are created to remember the dead and ofrendas, such as flowers and candles are placed to guide spirits back to their families. Places in the community are decorated with cut paper design called papel picado, skeletons and calaveras or skulls. The looks of the skulls and skeletons used during Día de Muertos festivals today called La Calavera Catrina was inspired by lithographer and printer José Guadalupe Posada in the early 1900s. In Posada's description, La Catrina had only a head and a hat, which symbolized respect for the reality of death and that death does not discriminate against anyone. Regardless how much money you had, historically only the very wealthy wore hats. We are going to paint Sofia's face like a Calavera Catrina. Here are the supplies I'm using. Face paints in black, white, red, purple, blue, and green. Paint brushes with a fine tip, water cup, and paper towels. Here I'm starting off with painting her face white and outlining around her eyes. Once that dries up, you will see that I'm going in and fill in those circles around the eyes with black eyeshadow. Here I'm using black eyeshadow to fill in those big circles around her eyes to give it a skeleton look without damaging or having paint going into her eyes. You can also substitute the eyeshadow for black face painting. I just prefer eyeshadow because it's just more easy to remove it. With Sofia's choice of color, I'm tapping with the brush, kind of like making small dots around her eyes so we can give it a flower look for the Day of the Dead. Here I'm using a black eyeliner to draw and color in the nose. You can also use a black face paint. Here I'm making lines for the mouth and kind of longer lines for the teeth. These don't really need to be perfect, but it does help to have a pointy brush, or you can also use a black eyeliner. Here I'm outlining her lips and filling with a red face painting, and there you have the final look. Thanks for watching, and if you do a face painting for Día de Muertos, make sure to take a picture and tag the Idaho State Museum on Instagram or Facebook. Also, share this video with your family and friends so they can celebrate it with you. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the museum soon.